Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Fowler here again with another video. So, an announcement was made about on the 15th of January about Steve from Wavem Studios was another Skyway partnership, and I think it was a lot of confusion because they're like, "Oh, it's the same partnership twice," and it's really not. So here is the post that was made, the Skyway announcement. Of course, it has a Medium article. I'll have the Medium article in the description, so you'll be able to check it out yourself. I'm going to actually just read a couple things from the Medium article. And really quick, it says the Vulcan Blockchain is excited to announce that Steve of Wavem Studios has joined our Skyway partner program as our third partner. Steve's project is to help build out Vulcan Blockchain's gaming developer portal by creating an SDK for Unreal Engine 5 and Unity. So you have Unreal Engine 5 and Unity and SDK. These are words a lot of our community members have been kind of, like they don't understand. And it's understandable. If you're not a gamer or any type of software developer, you probably never even heard of SDK. But it is a commonly used word in the developer community, no matter pretty much anything that's dealing with software, because that's literally what it stands for, is Software Development Kit. It's mainly meant to pretty much have everything a developer could possibly need to build whatever software that company or provider of that kit is trying to achieve. So in this case, it would be Unreal Engine 5 and Unity. Now, Unreal Engine 5 is the engine that powers most of the high-powered gaming systems. So we're talking PlayStation, Xbox, PC. That's pretty much, they have the everything in that SDK is primarily meant for high 3D immersion games, because it's literally it's going to have everything a game developer would need in order to produce, honestly, a very high quality game, because all the assets and everything else is included in the kit. And then there's also Unity. Unity is more like a cross-platform development kit, which allows developers who want to create games on mobile. Also, it has VR as well. So if you're augmented reality, if you want to develop any type of augmented reality type of software, or even a game that's utilizing augmented reality, you would be able to use Unity to develop those things. Now, anyone can use these softwares. They're free. They're totally free. And I highly suggest, if anybody has ever been curious about developing a video game or a game in general, I highly recommend that you try to check it out. You might never know, you may actually find yourself finding it interesting, and then you never know where that will lead. So I always highly recommend people to, if you're curious about something, check it out, because it could change your life. So check it out. There's two videos here. On one video showing the Unity engine and software being utilized, and also on another video you're seeing the Unreal Engine 5 being used. This is pretty much like a game that's been developed, and you're seeing basically the power once a game is completed within Unreal Engine 5. This is what the quality it looks like. As you can see, it's very high quality, and honestly, what's great is about these two platforms, SDKs, is that anybody can use it. Like, anyone can use it. And I'm going to tell you why this is so bullish for Vulcan Blockchain, is because you don't need a 50, 100 man developer, man or woman, team to complete the game. You can have a very small team, 10 people, you know, and according to their experience, you know, that'll determine how long a game takes. But also, yeah, manpower does account for how long a game will take, but you can still get the same quality of a AAA game from a 100-man team versus a 10-man team. You still produce the same thing. It's just, you know, how big the game is, you know, how immersed the game is going to be. That all determines how long a game is going to take. So, and the reason why I bring up time is because investors tend to be want results right away, and you have to understand with a game, you have to take time, because it's not just about what you see here about visuals. It's not just visual. You're looking at visuals, but this is just pretty much movement. You're seeing on one side is building landscape and it's building the map itself. On the other, you're seeing a character walking through this cave and making movements. But you're not. That's just the visual portion. You're not seeing the development part. You're not seeing debugging, because there's gonna be bugs. You still have to create a story. You still have to create a basis for how this character, or the main character of a game, is going to move. Whether it's Space Invaders or Mario Brothers, doesn't matter. It has to have some type of story. It has to have a point where this character is going. So there's more to a game than just visuals, and you have to understand that it's going to take time for any game developer, honestly, to develop a game, even on a blockchain. The blockchain even makes it even harder, because it's a new tech that not a lot of developers really know how to like fully utilize. Like, it's a trial and error thing, but when you trial and error, you usually innovate and develop new things, new techniques. So just understand, if you're not a gamer, you don't know too much about games, but you're very interested in like Cosmic Force and, you know, everything they're talking about with this, you know, Unreal Engine, you probably can't even get excited for what's going on, because you don't understand. And that's what your boy Fowler is trying to get to you, is that what you're seeing is definitely a possibility. And the team is going to, the Cosmic Force team is going to need a lot of support from the community. And just understand that if you want to see results like this, they're going to need support. And I think that we're going to get to a point with Cosmic Force, or any game developers, to be honest, where it's going to get to a point where they're going to launch a game, right? They're going to launch a game, and it's going to be the chance of that game developer to really break through. And when I say breakthrough, I mean break through the traditional barriers, meaning this is something that's going to like almost make a whole new pathway for gaming. And as you know, anytime you innovate anything in tech or gaming or whatever, you usually are the ones who reap all the benefits from that innovation. So understand, this is a really good time to be bullish on gaming, especially in crypto, because it's like the new wave. This will happen. It's just make sure you're in the place where it's happening. Okay, so you know, you're hearing it from your boy, and you know, I'm probably gonna make some more gaming videos, more, you know, stuff to, you know, help you guys understand what's kind of going on, versus, you know, the kind of information hitting you and kind of like, I don't even understand this stuff. Well, I'm here to help you out a little bit. So if you have any questions, please leave your questions down in the comments. Again, I'm gonna have links in the description and stuff to help you guys out. But also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber to my channel. I'm having more videos like this come out, and also gonna get a little bit more technical as we go on. And also, please share, because the only way we're gonna get out there and get this information to the rest of the community and beyond is if you hit that share button. So also make sure you hit the share button, share it in places. And I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.